Now, a day after violence in Bihar's Munger, the Mahagathbandhan slammed Nitish Kumar government over law and order situation in the state. RJD leader and the Grand Alliance chief ministerial candidate Tejasvi Yadav blamed the NDA for firing during the idle immersion. In fact, he said that who gave permission to the state government to become like General Dyer was his statement there. Tejasvi Yadav also requested a High Court monitored probe into the matter. One person was killed and at least 30 injured after miscreants opened fire during Durga idol immersion in Munger on Monday. The firing saw a stampede-like situation and led to police cracking down with lathi charge. The National Commission for Protection of Child Rights has also taken cognizance into this incident, are currently acting upon it.
कानून व्यवस्था लॉ एंड ऑर्डर बिहार में पूरी तरीके से चरमरा सी गई है। बिहार की पुलिस को हमने नहीं देखा कि अपराधियों का साथ ऐसा व्यवहार किया जाए, लॉ एंड ऑर्डर को कंट्रोल किया जाए। बीजेपी के लोग लॉ एंड ऑर्डर पे सवाल खड़ा करते थे, कहीं ना कहीं से आज वो फंसे हुए हैं और इस पे उनको खुल करके अपनी बात को रखना चाहिए।
मुंगेर में जो नरसंहार हुआ, जिसकी तुलना उन्होंने जनरल डायर के द्वारा चलाई गई गोलियों से भी की। साथियों, एक बात साफ है कि अब बिहार में नीतीश कुमार की नहीं, निर्दयी कुमार और निर्मम मोदी की सरकार है।
मुख्यमंत्री जनरल डायर की भूमिका में आ गया। जिस तरीके से जनरल डायर ने जलियांवाला बाग में गोलियां चलाई थी, बेकसूरों को मौत के घाट उतारा था, एग्जैक्टली उसी तरीके से जिस तरीके से मुख्यमंत्री के निर्देश पर, नीतीश कुमार जी के आदेश पर वहां के स्थानीय प्रशासन ने निर्दोषों के ऊपर गोलियां चलाई, उनको मारा, लाठियां। आप देखिए किस हालात में हम अस्पताल में जाकर। तो मैं तो मांग करता हूं कि इसकी जांच होनी चाहिए।
Cutting across to Kumar Kurnal, reporting from Munger, Bihar. Kumar, here we're looking at a shooter. In fact, miscreants opened fire and that led to stampede. Eventually, one man was killed, several others injured. And now you have the opposition training their guns against the Nitish Kumar government and blaming them for the law and order situation. What's the situation on ground? If you can take us through what really happened.
See, actually, it is more a political issue rather than an issue at the ground. We are just 17 kilometers away from the place where the whole incident took place. But here, none of the voters are claiming that they have voted for or against the government over the issue of violence. So, violence is a non-issue right here in the Munger Assembly constituency as well. But as the public perception is concerned, even today, Prime Minister Modi has raked up the law and order situation under the Lalu government. Now the opposition is blaming Nitish government for deteriorating law and order situation in the state. And it is virtually a Jungle Raj ka Yuvraj versus General Dyer. The two camps are claiming that the law and order situation was worse during that regime, or it is worse during this regime, which is being led by Chief Minister Nitish Kumar. So it's a virtually a political blame game over the law and order situation in the state, which was worse and which is better than the earlier one.
Right, Kumar, thank you very much for joining us with those details on that. This is indeed taken a political twist there.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.